So for this video, I chose prompt 2 and I'm going to be talking about synopsis of chromosomes in meiosis. So in meiosis, 2 chromosomes divide themselves into 4 chromatids. Usually both chromosomes split to make the same letters. However, when a crossover and/or a mutation happens, the chromosomes have to adjust themselves to match the letters up, and chromosomes can bend themselves to do this. Centromeres are also represented by dots. Think of them like balloons. So, similar to the way that balloons can be bent and molded, chromosomes can also bend during meiosis to better match each other. So, person 1 has MIJ.KLHG, remember a dot represents a centromere, and GHIJ.KLM, with a crossover between J and K. So, this is the first chromosome. Keep in mind that during normal meiosis, the chromosome will have 2 chromatids, but for demonstration purposes, I am using a balloon or chromosome with just 1 strand. So the second balloon or chromosome comes along, and as you can see, no matter which way you flip it, the letters and colors do not match up. So what the second chromosome can actually do is loop itself to better match the order of the first chromosome, which then bends itself to match up the letters and colors. And it may not be a perfect even match, but any match is better than the way it was before. So this is the way it's represented on paper, and I'm using the blue to represent the first chromosome and red to represent the second chromosome. And as you can see, due to the crossover, half of the gametes that result will have part of themselves from the first chromosome and part of themselves from the second chromosome. So the viable gametes are MIJ.KLHG and MLK.JIHG. However, the non-viable gametes are GHIJ.KLHG and MIJ.KLM, and they're not viable because they have repeating letters. Person 2 has MIJ.KLHG and GHLK.JIM with a crossover between J and K. So this is the first chromosome. And the second chromosome, as you can see, is backwards and doesn't match up really well. So it can flip itself so that it is able to match up. And this is the way that it looks on paper. Once again, blue is the first chromosome, red is the second chromosome. And once again, due to the crossover, half of the gametes that result will be a split, or kind of like part of them will be from the first chromosome, part of them will be from the second chromosome. However, this doesn't really matter because all of the letters wind up being the same. All the gametes wind up being the same letters. So they're all MIJ.KLHG and they're all viable. Since person 1 only had 2 viable gametes and person 2 had all 4 possible gametes be viable, person 2 is more likely to have a higher fitness. Thank you for watching, and here are my references.